Hello everyone, welcome back to another fun learning session. Children, we have already learned counting from 1 to 100 and face value very well, right? And today we are going to discuss about place value, means place value of a digit in a number. Through this topic, we will be able to understand 100, tens and ones by grouping pictures or things. So place value. Place means स्थान और जगह और value का मतलब कीमत और मूल्य. So place value मतलब स्थान का मूल्य. Place value of a digit is the place or position of the digit in a number. So what is place value? Place value of a digit is the place or position of the digit in a number. It's very important to understand that face value of a digit never changes because face value means the digit itself. But place value of a digit depends on where it is in the number. Means each digit in a number has its own value depending upon its position in the place value chart. Children, look here. H, T, O are written over here. O stands for ones, T stands for tens and H stands for 100. And it will continue up to 10 crore. It is called Indian place value chart. So first is ones place. Number 1 to 9, one digit number. And these are written in the ones place. So it is towards the right side. So right side digit is called ones place digit. So ones place digit means the name of the number, the name of its digit, the value of the number is the same. Means 1 is also called 1 1. 2 is also called 2 ones. 3 is also called 3 ones. Children, look and observe very carefully. As I already told you, 1 is also called as 1 1. So 1 1 means one object. Here 1 apple. 2 ones means 2 apples or any 2 objects. 3 ones means 3 apples. 4 ones means 4 apples. 5 ones means 5 apples. 6 ones means 6 apples. 7 ones means 7 apples. 8 ones means 8 apples. And 9 ones means 9 apples. What comes after number 9? Yes, number 10. There are 2 digits in number 10. We all know very well, number 10 is the smallest 2-digit number. So we can't write number 10 in a single place. For that we need 2 places. These are tens and ones. 1 is written in the tens place. It is towards the left side. And 0 is written in the ones place. So number 10 is also called as 10 ones. Now look here. 10 ones means 10 apples. So 10 ones is equal to 110 means 10. There are 10 apples. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 apples means 10 ones. 10 ones all together make 110. It's a very important. 10 ones all together make 110. Means If we make a group of 10 apples, it becomes 110. I repeat, if we make a group of 10 apples, it becomes 110. 110 means 10. 110 means 10. Let us understand this concept by grouping some objects. There are some spoons in my hand. So let's count how many spoons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 spoons, means 10 ones. 10 ones all together make 110. So if I make a bundle of these 10 spoons, it becomes 110. So let's make a bundle. So this is 110. 110 means 10. 110 means 10. 110 means 10. Now I am keeping here 2 more spoons. So 110 and 2 ones. Let's write 110, 2 ones. 110 means 10 and 2 ones means 2 means 12. 10, 11, 12. So 110 and 2 ones, it makes number 12. Let's write 1 then 2. 1 to 12. 1 is written in the tens place and 2 is written in the ones place. So 110 and 2 ones, it makes number 12. Children, one more example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 sticks. So means 10 ones. 10 ones all together make 110. So 110 means 10. Now we are going to make one more bundle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's make a bundle. Now look here, there are 2 bundles, means 110 and 110, and each bundle has 10 sticks, means 10 plus 10. So 2 tens means 20. Look here, 2 tens means 20. Now I am going to put 3 more sticks over here. 1, 2, 3. So there are 2 tens and 3 ones. 3 ones means 3. So let's write 2 tens and 3 ones. 2 tens means 20 and 3 ones means 3. 20 plus 3, 20, 21, 22, 23. So let's write 2, 3, 23. 2 is written in the tens place and 3 is written in the ones place. 2 tens and 3 ones. It makes 2, 3, 23. So children, if 110 means 10, 2 tens means 20, then 3 tens means 30, 4 tens means 40, 5 tens means 50, 6 tens means 60, 7 tens means 70, 8 tens means 80, 9 tens means 90, and 10 tens means 100. Let us understand this concept by grouping some pictures. Look here and observe very carefully. These are all butterflies. So let's count how many butterflies are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 butterflies. Now I am going to make a group of these 10 butterflies. So there are 10 butterflies. 10 means 110. Now let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So one more group. 1, 10. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means one more group. 1, 10. 110, 110, 110. So there are 3 tens. 3 tens. Now look here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. So 3 tens means 30 and 4 ones means 4. So number is 34. Let's write 34. 3 is written in the tens place and 4 is written in the ones place. 3 tens means 30, 4 ones means 4. So 3, 4, 34. Now look at the next picture. These are all rings. Let's count how many rings are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's make a bundle or group. So this is 110. Let's count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So one more group. So 110. 110 plus 110 means 2 tens. There are 2 tens. And how many rings are left over here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 ones means 5. 2 tens means 20 and 5 ones means 5. So 20 plus 5 means 25. Let's write the number 2, 5, 25. Every digit in a number has a place value that depends upon its position in the number. To know the place value of a digit in a number, we should know about place value chart. This is Indian place value chart. Observe very carefully. Place value chart is a very useful table that helps us to find the place value of each digit in a number. For example, the number is 743. So the place value of 7 in 743 is 700. However, the place value of 7 in 572 is 7 tens or 70. So that means face value of a digit never changes, but place value of a digit changes according to its position in a number. So children, it's a very important topic. I hope you all liked the video. If you liked the video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.